Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to check credit score in TD Bank app. So first things first is go on search TD Bank. Then from here, this is their website, TD Bank Online Banking Loans, Credit Cards, and Home Lending. Click on it. And then from here, what you're going to do is go here at the search bar and click on credit score. Click enter. And then and then from here And then from here, you're gonna scroll down and click in the importance of credit and understanding your credit score here in the search results. Down the helpful related questions. So let's go here. And once you're here, so the importance of credit, in the simplest terms, credit is money you borrow and promise to pay back, typically with interest. So from here, you're gonna have two options. Click on the credit report, and down here you're gonna see check your credit report, review your credit report for accuracy, and immediately report any errors to the credit bureau or directly to your financial institutions. So once you click credit score, scroll down, you're gonna see stay on top of your credit score. So from here you're gonna click on find out more, and then here you can download their app. From here you can navigate through their app to check your credit score. You can download it for Apple or for Android. Just you're gonna click on continue, and then there you go. This is their app in the Google Play Store. And when it's come to Apple, this is the name of their app. So there you go. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.